Water, special material, is so well suited to support life. All living things in the world, people, plants, animals, need water, and they carry it inside them. People are more than 60% water, and some plants are even 95% water. We all die without water. Water's essential for life.
So, what is it about water that makes it special? How does water support life? Today, we're going to learn about it. We'll soon have the answers for the questions. Now, let's get started. Let's take a closer look at the individual water molecule. Each water molecule contains one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms. Oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen, so electrons that are shared by them spend more time around the oxygen atom than the hydrogen atom. As a result, the oxygen atom has a partial negative charge and the hydrogen atom has a partial positive charge, so they're held together by polar covalent bond. Water is a polar molecule. Hydrogen bonding. The positive charge on the hydrogen of one water molecule is attracted to the negative charge on an oxygen atom in another. That is hydrogen bonding. So the water molecules stick together. At any one time, a water molecule may be hydrogen bonded constantly to 1, 2, 3, or maximum 4 other water molecules. Now we move on to the properties of water based on its polarity. Cohesion. Hydrogen bonding is a weak bond, but the extensive hydrogen bonding between water molecules that make water an extremely cohesive liquid. Because of water's cohesion, it forms a kind of a skin on its surface. We say water has high surface tension. Have you ever seen an insect walking on water? It is not heavy enough to break the hydrogen bonds that hold the water molecules together, so it can stand and walk on water. Once again, by forming hydrogen bonds, water is also adhesion material, so water can wrap onto the walls of xylem tubes in plants. Both cohesion and adhesion of water allow it to be pulled up through plants in a process called transpiration. Water moderates temperature changes. It takes a lot of energy to raise temperature or break extensive hydrogen bonding of water. Water has to reach 100 degrees Celsius to turn to gas. This process is called vaporization. When the water molecules evaporate, they take a lot of heat energy with them. That's evaporative cooling. Many living things take advantage of evaporative cooling to maintain a constant temperature. Dog pant with sweat. Do you know why in hot weather an elephant sprays water from its trunk onto its head? Please write down your answers below this video. The solvent of life. The hydrophilic molecules such as salt, sugar can dissolve in water. They are surrounded by a hydration shell. Now look at the dissolve of salt in water. Negative regions on oxygens of polar water molecules are attracted to sodium cations. Positive regions on hydrogens of polar water molecules are attracted to chloride anions. Hydrophobic molecules such as fats, oils, waxes repel water. Ice flows on water. Do you know why? As water freezes, the hydrogen bonds push the water molecules farther apart from each other, increasing the intermolecular space, resulting in expansion. Water, solid water, ice, is less dense than liquid water. But most other materials, solid form is more dense than liquid form. This unusual property of water supports life is that it provides additional habitats for living organisms. Ice also acts as an insulator and protects life. In the winter, the top layer of a lake freezes, but the water underneath stays liquid. The liquid water is protected from the freezing cold air and wind. All the fish and other forms of life are protected underneath as well. Exercise for you. Explain how each of the following properties of water supports life.